Hi everyone, we're back here again for Core Movement by Women. I'm Sarah Witt, and today we're going to be doing a cardio circuit, so I hope you enjoy. Okay, so for our first exercise here, we've got what's called a plank jack. You're going to come down into your forearm plank position, and you're just jumping your feet out to the side and back in. Make sure that your hips are not coming too far off the ground. And the fault that I have here in this video is that my head is a little bit too up, so try and keep your head on a neutral alignment with your spine. Our next exercise is the frog jump. So this is a form of a squat jump, but we're just bringing our hands down to the ground, so we're going into a little bit of a lower squat position. So we've got toe taps here. I've actually done this exercise in another video. There's different ways to do this exercise. You could do this with a ladder. You can do this on a park bench. It's just another form of a cardio exercise. Here we've got a high plank with a knee tap. So you're in your plank position, starting with your hands high. You're just going to reach back and tap on your knees. So make sure your hand is going to the opposite side and keep that core engaged through the entire movement. So I know we all hate burpees. I hate them too, but you'll love me later for them because they're really good for you. So keep doing them. For our last exercise, we've got another version of a jump. So you're going to hold your hands out about waist high, jump up to reach your knees to your hands. So you're going to feel this a lot in your legs. Okay, hi again. That was our workout. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you eat something, drink lots of water after your cardio workout. You can either do this in a timed fashion, so 30 seconds on, and maybe 10 seconds off, or you can do it by reps. So you can kind of think to see how it goes. You can follow me at Sarah Alfit on Instagram, and I hope to see you